So it's time for the end of summer collab we've been talking about. I have 3 different things you can choose from. I'll show you in a minute. One's makeup, one's skincare, and one's jewelry. So you can choose, if you're the winner, you can choose one of those 3 things, and then I'll throw you some more things in as surprises. There are 15 of us, and we're all uploading on the 4th, which is Wednesday, maybe Thursday, soon. Well, by the time you see this, it will be the 4th. So we're uploading on the 4th, and let's see, I will read you everybody that's in this. Reallady Electrician, which is CJ, me, Beauty Inside and Out, which is Sherry, Jamie Jarrozzy, Haute Modesty, which is Alexis, Sabrina's Unboxings and More, Teresa's Starship, Andi Does Stuff, Laurie Perkins, Leanna Dalton, Jean's Junk, Jewls and M, Laurie Latimer, and Double the Trouble, which is Heather. So that's all of us, and I will put a little clip at the end with everybody's names again, and then there'll be a playlist below also, so you'll have lots of chances. But you have to be subscribed to all 15 of us to enter any of our giveaways. You can enter any giveaway that you want, and if you win 15 times, you can win 15 times. That's very unlikely, but you know, you can win more than one. So you need to be 18. Some people, everybody has like different rules. I think we're ending on the 18th. The drawings will be on the 18th for who the winners are. Everybody's rules are a little different. Some people are doing international, some aren't. I'm not. I'm just doing continental U.S., lower 48, as they say. There's one girl that's Canadian, so she's obviously would do Canada. Some people are doing international, some people are doing U.S. only, but we're all doing a giveaway. We're all doing them a little different. I'm doing choice of 3 things, and if within one, I have a choice of 2 things, if that makes any sense. I'll do that one first, just to show you. I have a makeup one where you get a choice of 2 different. So this is choice number 1, makeup. You have a choice of 2 different eyeshadow palettes. This is choice number 1. It is Spectra Gourmand Girls X Crystal Rice Makeup. Look at all these beautiful colors. It has a mirror, but I'm covering the mirror up so I don't blind you. So this is choice number 1, and within this choice, you can have a choice of either one of these 2 palettes. The other choice of palettes is OPV Beauty Spotlight. This is gorgeous too. So if you win the makeup, if you win the drawing, you can have one of these 2 palettes and this Steely Kiss, and it is a lip gloss. It's kind of a burgundy-y color. And I will also throw in a few more little goodies. So this is choice number 1. One of this plus one of these 2. Let me show you again. Ugh, I shouldn't have put them back in their cases. This is the Spotlight one. And This is the spectral one. So those are your choice number one of those two plus the lip gloss. Choice number 2 is Love Script Body Wash. It's sort of a bath theme. It's a body wash and 2 shower steamers. And I think they're spearmint. So body wash and shower steamer. So this is the bath themed one. So makeup, bath, or this one has jewelry. There's a beautiful bracelet. And this is a necklace. It's like a silver necklace, and then it's got this like ship's wheel with it. And let me get these back in here. I like to keep all these together. Oh, dropped it. Seriously. Alright, and last but not least is this is a Luxury Diva bracelet. I believe it's a bracelet. Yes, it is a bracelet. Very delicate. Very lightweight and delicate. That's pretty. So 2 bracelets and a necklace. So you can have number 1 is the makeup. Number 2 is the bath and body stuff. The shower steamers and the body scrubber soap stuff. And number 3 is jewelry. So if you are the winner, you can pick 1, 2, or 3 makeup, body stuff, or jewelry. And I will add some more surprise stuff in there too. You won't just get like just one eyeshadow palette and a, for instance, you won't just get the one eyeshadow palette and lip gloss. You'll get a few other little things thrown in. You won't just get the jewelry. You get a few other little things thrown in. So if you're interested in entering this, I'm going to make it easy. Just say, please enter me. And be sure that you're subscribed to all 15 of us, because I will check. And last time I did a big one like this and double checked, people would be subscribed to like 10 out of the 15, or some even up to, they get up to 14, and then the 15th one they weren't subscribed to. Some would be only subscribed to one person, just all over the map. So it would take me like 5 or 6 tries to find a winner. So be sure you go through, and that's why we do these collabs, so you guys can get to know new people and we can get to know new people. And so we want you to subscribe to everybody so you can find some new friends. And I will put at the end of this, there's a list of everybody that I will stick on the end of this. And also below there's a playlist. So if you click the playlist, it'll take you to everybody's videos. And the drawing will be on the 18th. And I guess the announcement will be on the 19th. So I hope you all win. Well, you can't all win, but I hope you all go out and try and win on all 15 of them and make some new friends. These are lovely ladies. Some of them are new to me. So this should be a lot of fun. There's 15 chances to win. I might even sign up for some of them. So happy, what is today? Thursday, I think it is. Wednesday, Thursday, somewhere in there. Happy August 4th. That much I know it is. And go out and check all these other lovely ladies out and have a lot of fun with this.